Day after 89 people were killed in the Jhabua explosion, angry protesters stopped Shivraj Singh Chauhan's cavalcade. Residents have demanded action. In fact, earlier Congress workers also raised slogans. Heminder is joining us with the latest. Heminder.
Well, there is a lot of anger over here amongst the people. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan came to the spot. He was stopped by the people, in fact heckled, and with great difficulty he was allowed to go to the spot. He's still there at the spot and he's not being allowed to come out of the spot. People are saying there should be immediate action against the culprit accused. He's still absconding. It was in one of the buildings that this man was having his store, and there he was storing chemicals as well as gelatin sticks as well as explosives, and after that blast there was total mayhem over here. I have with me certain eyewitnesses. These are the people who actually witnessed the entire incident, and they are still very angry with the kind of things that have been happening since yesterday. दादा, आप बहुत बता रहे थे अभी किस तरह से लिपापोती हो रही है, क्या काम चल रहा है, किस तरह से हुआ था?
सर एक भी नहीं सुनता यहाँ पे। इतनी लाशें पड़ी हम एक रोटी नहीं खा सके रात में, इतने परेशान हो गए थे।
और वो जो आरोपी था जिसने वो बारूद अपना रखा था घर पे, उसके खिलाफ आप लोग बता रहे थे पहले
बोले थे सर, हम पहले बोले थे, किसी ने नहीं सुना। पहले भी हमने सूचना दी थी, कोई भी नहीं सुनता है।
So there you see, there's a lot of anger amongst the local residents, and they are here in large numbers, and they are saying that there should be immediate action against the accused.
Right. So even now, the Chief Minister, surrounded by angry residents and protesters demanding strict action. Remember, 89 people were killed. Heminder, do we know what the government plan of action is in this case?
Well, the government has announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees to the relatives of those who have died in this incident, plus compensation of 50,000 to those who have got injured. Also, the Chief Minister has said that there would be a judicial inquiry into it, and he would request the sitting High Court judge to